Okay, I'm streaming here from my panic room. People have asked me to help out on Zoom and all these probable online meetings and gatherings we're going to have. So this is like a quick tutorial uh, to help. I am managing like different sorts of things in my computer, so bear with me. So for you to join a Zoom meeting, you have to click the link people give you. People will send you a link. It'll be in the email. Click here. It will pop up Zoom. You have two options. You can just have Zoom as a tab. If you just click join, it will pop up a tab in your in Chrome, right, in the browser. You can do that, or you can download Zoom into your computer or download the app into your phone, which will make the experience a little easier for you. I downloaded Zoom into my computer, so now because of all these meetings and stuff, and here is what it looks like. That's the app downloaded into the computer. You can join a meeting, probably join, and yeah. So I'm hosting a meeting right now, and that's where this image is coming from. It's from the meeting that I created. So when you join a meeting, you probably see. Actually, let's do it together here. My face will probably disappear for a second because I'm gonna end this meeting. Okay, I ended the meeting. You can probably still hear my voice. Yes, you can. So yeah, so this is how the app shows up when you download the app. You can create a meeting, you can schedule a meeting, or you can join a meeting. I'm going to create a meeting because I haven't been invited to anything. I'm joining as creator. Start a video. Okay. Okay. So now, when you are asked to join a meeting, you can join with computer audio. Before you join, I recommend you to do this link below, test speaker and microphone. This will make sure that your computer know and have access to the microphone and the webcam in your computer. So you're going to test them. Do you hear a ringtone? If you don't hear a ringtone, you say no. Right now, my sound is coming out from this headphone. Let me check. Oh, there you go. If you click no, it will help you find out your microphone. If your speaker in the case, to listen to the person, and you can go here and there will be other options too. So this Stromax Drill microphone, that's a microphone that I have, and it has an entrance of the headphone, and that's where the sound is coming from me. You probably will have these built-in internal speakers. If you want to, oh, now you can hear it. So if I put the sound through the speakers, it comes out through the speakers. If you have a jack, a headphone just plugged into the jack in your computer, it will have an option here. Let me plug my headphone into the jack here. So here's my headphone input, and I'm putting it into the jack. There you go. Now, same as system. Yes, and I'm hearing it there. So you say, yes, I'm hearing the headphone. You're hearing the phone. That tells the system that you can hear the speaker, and now you're testing your microphone. So you speak. You speak a little bit, and then pause, and it will repeat to you your voice to make sure that you can hear yourself. You speak a little bit, and then pause, and it will repeat to you your voice to make sure that you can hear yourself. Okay, so you tested. Now I can hear and I can speak. Then I join with computer audio. Click again, join with computer audio. Now you're in the meeting. Depending on how the instructor set up the meeting, your microphone will start up muted. Your navigation is down in the, follow my finger down here, mute video. So if you click this microphone, it's muted. Nobody will hear you. You will be a quiet observer, like a good math teacher just a number. If you want to give input and say something, you turn on your mic and speak. And usually when you turn on your mic and speak, your camera pops up for everyone to see you. That's why the other day when everyone was talking, the system was going crazy because everyone was talking and the camera was shifting and it becomes mayhem. So if you mute yourself, your video will not be showing up in the main cast. And if you want to stop your video, same thing, you would stop video there. Then the picture that you have in your Google profile would show up. That's me in kindergarten, full of dreams and hopes. Anyway, so now I'm back to my video. People would see me. This icons is because I am as leader of the meeting, right? If you want to chat with someone, well, if you get there will be a chat icon right here. Boop, 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 boop. Chat. You click chat, and then in the bottom here there will be a menu on who you want to chat or how you want to chat. And that also depends on the permission that the person is giving to you, the host of the meeting. I can let's see what I can do here. I can have no one chat, so maybe you can chat. It depends on what the host says. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So in this side here, there is, I can have everyone chat publicly. I can let everyone chat publicly or privately. If I get this option, then when you click chat, you can choose a person and chat specifically with that person. But that may not always happen. It depends on the preferences that the leader of the meeting has set. And for you to exit the meeting, you just would click in whatever is here in this side. I have end meeting because I'm hosting it. I don't know exactly how it would look like if we are part of a meeting. That's the basic thing, so you don't get embarrassed in group meetings that we'll be joining. I hope that you can find peace in these trying times. We will prevail. We will prevail. Bye.